In this video, we'll demonstrate how a customer creates a supplier, how a supplier fills out the onboarding form, and how the supplier is registered in the Aerchain portal. Currently, we're inside the customer portal of Aerchain, about to create a supplier. Click on Modules and then on Suppliers. Hit the Add New button, provide the supplier name, select the supplier category, and choose the payment terms. Pick an onboarding template, enable the Sign Up Required option, and enter the user's name. Don't forget to provide a phone number before clicking the Submit button. Now, choose an approver and confirm your choices by clicking Submit. The supplier is now created. To view the supplier, click on the vendor code, which opens the supplier's details. Within this view, select the Onboarding tab. If you're the approver, you can approve by clicking on the Approve button and confirm with a yes to proceed. When it displays Requested, this indicates that the customer has sent a request to the supplier for onboarding. Let's move on to the next step. The supplier will then receive an email indicating an invitation from your company. They will need to scroll down and click on the Click Here to Sign Up button to proceed. They'll be directed to the supplier sign-up page, where their name, phone number, and email address will already be filled in. All they need to do is create a password and confirm it. So make sure to match all the criteria and click the Sign Up button. Upon accessing the supplier homepage, a notification will appear, stating that the company has requested registration by completing the onboarding form. This can be done by clicking here, or by navigating to the modules, selecting Customer, and clicking on the customer code to open the form. Once the onboarding form appears, click the Update button and fill in all the required fields. Fields marked with a red color asterisk symbols are mandatory. You cannot proceed without filling them out. Ensure that the uploaded files do not exceed a maximum size of 5 MB. Fill out and upload all the required documents, then move to the next section to provide the necessary details. Continue filling out each field similarly. Double check that the account numbers match in both the account number and confirm account number fields. For this demo, we'll just complete the mandatory details. Select the currency for transactions with the supplier. You have the option to cancel the process by clicking the Cancel button, save the form as a draft by clicking the Save button, or submit the completed form by clicking the Submit button. I'm going to click on the Submit button now. It's asking for confirmation. Click on Proceed. The status has now changed to Under Review. Let's go over to the customer portal and I'll click on Refresh. The status has now changed to Submitted, indicating that the supplier has submitted their onboarding form from their side. In this form, there is a field called Internal Users. This field is not visible to suppliers. It is exclusively visible to customers and is meant to be filled out by them. So, we will click on Update Form to demonstrate and expand it. This section is designated for the IT team, where they can enter any necessary details. We will leave it as is for the moment. And then, you're required to provide a reference number. Once everything is finalized on our side, you can click on the Submit button and then click on Proceed. To move the process forward, we have to click on Proceed again, and it will ask if we can send this for approval. We'll click on Yes and choose the approvers, then click on Submit. This is the process to approve and confirm. Confirm again, and now the status has changed to Registered, which means that the supplier has successfully registered with Aerchain. Thanks for watching.